guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, I would like to welcome you to my channel. I do beauty, lifestyle, hair videos, kind of whatever I'm feeling. Today we have a hair video, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, girl gotta relax. It was about dang time. I think it has been 4 months since my last relaxer, which is a very long time for me. Well, not a very long time. I have gone longer. I'm being dramatic. But, yeah, I usually try and stretch my relaxers at least 3 months. I don't get touch-ups or anything like that. I usually stretch my relaxer for 12 to 14 weeks if I can. That's something that just works for my hair personally, and that's how I retain the most length and strength and all that jazz. But if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and make sure to hit that notification bell because it notifies you every time that I upload and you don't want to miss a video from me. And also while you're down there, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this relaxer update. Alright guys, so if you watched my first relaxer update, which was in May, which is so crazy that now it's September, but I do get my hair relaxed at a salon. My hairstylist has been doing my hair literally since I was in middle school. I think 6th grade, 7th grade, I think. So it's been like 10 years that she's been doing her hair. If you guys don't know, I am 23 years old. A lot of you guys think I'm a teenager, like I'm like 16 or something. I appreciate that. I have gotten that all of my life, that I always looked younger than I actually am. So hopefully that stays. But yeah, I am 23 years old. So she has been relaxing my hair since I was like 13 years old. She is Dominican and she is amazing at what she does. She knows my hair really, really well because I have been through a lot of struggles with my hair. I've dyed my hair. I've done a lot to my hair. Gone through a lot of changes with my hair. But this is the longest my hair has ever been. I am happy to announce I am past collarbone length. I have passed my collarbone, and if my hair looks a little crazy right now, it's because I got my relaxer on Saturday and it is currently Tuesday. I actually hurt myself over the weekend, so I've kind of been relaxing in bed a little bit, and I just did not have the energy to film this relaxer update sooner, to post it on Sunday. And I apologize for that. I missed a Sunday upload again. I'm so sorry. But anyways, I am past collarbone length. I don't think in my 23 years of life, but my hair has been past my collarbone. And this is me relaxing. My hair is, I'm not like shrinking my shoulders up or anything. This is just my hair. I've always had shorter layers in the front of my hair. I think it just frames my face better. But yeah, I am so excited. Let me guys show you the back if I can. This is what the back looks like. Yeah, so it's like, I can't even feel it because my arm hurts, but the longest piece I have is like here, I think. Don't quote me on it. I know my hair is super bumpy and lumpy. I had it in the half up, half down style today, and it was also raining today, so it's just been a day. But I also hope that you guys like my new background. It's something a little different. Had to switch it up. Hope you guys like it. But yeah, I have a little candle burning. It is spiced apple toddy from Bath & Body Works. I'm so ready for fall. This doesn't look very fall, but I got this from Five Below if you guys are wondering. It is my favorite thing ever. It's like a kimono. So cute. Okay, I'm digressing. But I feel like I haven't talked to you guys about my hair in so long. But my hair is very, very thick. I explained this to you guys in my relaxer update, the first one. I have thick hair. Thickest hair ever. It doesn't look like it when I first get a relaxer because it's super straight. I personally ask for my hair to be like bone straight because if I have a little bit of texture to my roots, I can't do anything with my hair. So I ask for my hair, I don't like over process or anything like that. I don't want you guys to get that idea. But I asked for my stylist to use a extra strength relaxer on my hair. I don't know what relaxer she uses on my hair. All I know is that it's purple. It has a purple top and a white container. I should ask next time. I'm so sorry. But one time I did get a relaxer and my hair reverted back like 3 days later. Like I don't want to say reverted because like your hair can't revert because of chemicals, but like my hair was like not frizzy but like coarse again, you know? And that has never happened to me since I switched to the extra strength relaxer. It just, my hair didn't take, it was a new relaxer or something, my hair just did not process the way that it usually does, like where I get these results. So, my stylist uses two tubs of relaxer in my hair because my hair is so thick. One usually gets through, she splits my hair into 3 sections on each side. She has like a front, a middle, and a bottom. The first tub usually gets through the bottom and the middle, but then by the top she needs another tub. So, I don't think she uses 2 full tubs, like maybe like 1 3/4 tubs, but she definitely does use 2 tubs of relaxer in my hair. For this relaxer, she did have to pull it down pretty far because I had a lot of new growth, which I'm so excited about. I think it has a lot to do with me starting my hair journey here on my channel and everything. So I think that has played a major role in my hair development. So I'm super excited about that. What else? I did not get a trim with this relaxer either. I'm going to get a trim next relaxer. Probably because my ends definitely, I feel like they need it. I feel like they're a little rough and tough over here, but I mean, it's nothing like, oh my god, you need trim. But I definitely do need to just like dust my ends a little bit. And like I'm someone who does not get a trim with every relaxer by any means. And like I kind of just listen to my stylist as well. When she says I need a trim, I just let her trim my hair. And I know, and I am not someone who is like super obsessed with like length of my hair. I would rather health, and I've always been that way. My sister is like the opposite. She would rather have length than health, you know? So I actually had a setback a few, I want to say 2 years ago maybe, where I actually burned off the edges of my hair. Well, not like the edges, but like I burned off like the relaxed part of my hair and I only had new growth. So that's why like my edges are like a little shorter. It wasn't too bad once I got a relaxer, but as you guys can see, my edges like only come here. And where was I going with that story? I don't even remember where I was going with that story. But anyway, I did do that. And, that's where I was going. I ended up chopping my hair pretty short because I wanted to kind of match the length of the hair that broke off, because this hair would always be catching up, you know, like catching up, unless I cut it. And I cut it like pretty much like Bob. Like I cut it up to here, and then I just got extensions and put extensions in because that's when I was like in my long hair phase or whatever. I'm still in it, honestly. I love long hair on myself personally because I have a huge face. But yeah, so she uses 2 tubs of relaxer. I sit under the dryer with rollers. I almost said rollers. Rollers. And she does the Dominican blowout on my hair as well, because that gets my hair straight and it stays straight. If she doesn't blow out my hair doesn't stay straight. My hair literally shrivels right back up and is crazy. Even when I was little, my mom did my relaxer I think one time. She didn't do it again because my hair reverts really, really fast. And like when I blow dry my hair doesn't stay straight. It curls right back up. So it's very hard for me to get my hair straight, but I love my hair straight. And but I do wear my hair curly all the time. I don't want you guys to think like I only wear my hair straight, you know, blah 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 blah, whatever. I think that's all I have to say. It was a really easy relaxer. I didn't have any burning, any tingling, nothing. I'm someone, I can hold my relaxer. Like people, like my hairdresser thinks like I'm lying that I don't feel anything, but I literally don't feel, I don't base my whole scalp. My stylist only bases my edges. I don't know what it is, like I just don't feel the relaxer burning or tingling. Even like after like they work it through and everything, I'm still like just chilling, but you know, they know when to take it out. And if I did feel any burning or tingling, I would definitely let my stylist know. What else? I think that's really it. I don't have anything else to really update you guys on. I have been wrapping my hair every night since I got a relaxer. It's just been really easy to wrap it now because it's a little longer. So like it has more like of a beehive shape to it kind of going on. So that has been really nice. I think that's really it. I don't think I have anything else to update you on except like my length and my growth. My hairstylist said I have a lot of new growth, which made your girl so happy. My hair has been super dry lately. I think I'm going to do a protein treatment for this week's wash day. It is currently Tuesday. I got my hair done Saturday. I'm probably going to wash my hair this Sunday. Although sometimes I do wait 2 weeks after my relaxer just because my hair is a little fragile because I do use extra strength relaxer. But, or I wait like a week and a half. Sometimes I do wait 2 weeks because my hair is just, I just wrap my hair and like my roots get a little oily, but I ended up just like wearing it in a bun or, like my half up, half down style that I did today. And yeah, I think that's really it, guys. I hope that this helped you guys kind of know more about my hair. If you are new to my relaxed hair journey here, I think that's all I have to update you guys on. My hair is super thick. I think this is like the thickest my hair has been since I've gotten like right after a relaxer in like a long time. And I credit that to me co-washing and deep conditioning, doing the whole nine. Like my hair is healthy, y'all. It is healthy. Okay? So, I just wanted to update you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I can't speak today. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know down below in the comments. I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.